Hi my beautiful friends, this is Dolly Jain. I got a lot of requests from you as to you wanted to learn how to drape a net sari properly. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the ABC to wear a net sari properly fitted way. So instead of doing anything else, less of talking and more of showing you. So let's go. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click on that red button below so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So this is a beautiful net sari. This sari is from the designer Shantanu Goenka. And when you begin draping a net sari, the first thing that you need to do is tie a knot here. This will always keep your sari in place and it will never hang because net is a stretch fabric, so it tends to hang down. So now I start from my, where I start my basic tuck from 2 inches from the. So we start 2 inches from the navel like this, and then you bring the fabric from back, from behind, and tuck this in here. Try not to pull too tightly because if you pull too tightly, then the underskirt, the petticoat of yours will get crushed and it looks really bad. So I think just let the fabric be easy, and I'm just tucking the entire sari from behind. Yeah, like this. After you've done this, what you need to do is just check where the border starts from. I mean, see here, there's the border starting from here. So what you need to do is take this part of the fabric and tuck this in here. Now take the whole sari from behind, bring it in front. And since it's net, I mean, you can wear a falling palla also, but in this I'm going to show you how you can wear it pleated. So it's like this. Take this, hold it with a peg. Now the trickiest part here is how do you pleat, a net fabric. So what you do is hold this part here and just keep pleating it like this. It's easy and you will always get equal pleats. And use pegs. Please don't use safety pins because you'll unnecessarily make a lot of holes which is not required. After making pleats, just take a safety pin and attach it here. Rest it on your shoulders like this. Like this you've done, and you can leave the length this much. After this, just take this, cover your bust, and very nicely, now from here, bring this down, pull this tightly, and attach a pin here. Like this. So this will give you a nice shape, and now you start making your lower pleats. So this is how I make my pleats. So after you've got this pleat, just dust. See, the moment you dust, the net fabric is so good, it just falls so beautifully. Now in this, what you need to do is See, this, you've taken this. Now wherever you know you're going to tuck, suppose you know that you're going to tuck here, just take this angle and attach a safety pin there. Like this. See, I've given a safety pin here and I know this has to be tucked in. Okay, this safety pin, now leave this part down. Now what you need to do is, see this part. When you're doing net, you have to be really very careful because if you over pull it, you might tear the sari. So this part, take this and just twist. Okay, twist and tuck this in here. If you can see how beautifully this is shaping her, just twist and tuck. Now lift the entire fabric. Right in between, right in the center, just below your navel, just take this and tuck the whole sari inside. Like this. This way your side from the left will always remain fitted. Now after you've done this, what you need to do is take this fabric from here. You can take off the pegs because you've already added a pin. So after you've done this nice, neat and tight, so what you need to do is, you already have a pin here, so just refinish this sari, just pull it, adjust it on your bust, adjust all the remaining pleats and throw it on your shoulders, nice and neat. And here you have your net sari. Now there's one more thing that you need to understand. Normally, if you're not busty and if you want to carry it open palla, then I feel that the blouse length should be a little higher if you're busty. But if you want, and then you can pleat it up and wear it, looks really nice. But if you have a size like what she is, you can always open it up and wear it, like an open palla also. But I feel with this heavy sari, I feel if it is on your shoulder, it just gives you more ease, when you've worn this kind of a drape. So I think, yeah, all your questions and all your problems that you faced for draping a net sari should be solved by now. If there is anything, do let me know.